Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the device safe. Disconnect power, remove any battery, and ground yourself. This prevents shorts. Once done, open the access panel using a Phillips #0 and a spudger. Pry gently to avoid clips. You will identify the lightning port assembly and surrounding flex cable. Inspect for debris, corrosion, or loose solder joints. Make sure to document screw locations and take photos for reassembly. This saves time and prevents mistakes later. Now you perform the detailed work. Clean the lightning port with 0.5% isopropyl on a brush to remove grit and oxidation. This improves conductivity. Next, reseat the flex cable and verify pin alignment under magnification. Misalignment causes intermittent contact. If you find cracked solder, reflow with a low-temp iron and a fine tip. Use flux sparingly to avoid bridges. Once the mechanical and electrical contacts look solid, test continuity with a finish by reassembling in reverse order and powering the unit for a full test. Connect charger and observe charging LED and measured voltage. If the device still won't charge, measure voltage at the connector. Low or absent voltage points to a faulty port or power IC requiring replacement. Make sure to reinstall all shielding and screws to maintain grounding. One key troubleshooting tip. If intermittent charging persists, wiggle test the cable while measuring. This reveals loose contacts masked by static checks.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.